Getting ready to serve up a little bit of noontime breakfast here at the post-Arizona Ironwood Meetup 2023 here in the Ironwood National Forest Monument. Got a few friends hanging here still at the post-Ironwood Meetup, including Marshall here.
What's up?
And Mike. And Diana. You're on YouTube, Diana. Hope you like that. And Ron. Hey, Ron.
All right.
There you go.
Well, thank you.
Sure.
All
right, here's for
okay.
3 cups of milk, 2.5 milk.
What's up, Sam?
What's up?
Little lunchtime breakfast?
Yeah, looks good.
Every month I appreciate you showing the confidence in me to
I see.
do this job.
You're part of our
So Marshall and I are doing competitive videoing here. So it's a new sport we invented. And
Yeah, so mine.
Oh, wait, okay.
My video is about benefits of low carb breakfast foods. Yeah.
Oh, is it?
What is yours about?
Mine's about just some cool people hanging out at the post meetup. So what's yours about, Mike?
Mine's about eating all kinds of unhealthy food, like bacon and bacon.
Bacon and more
Did I mention bacon?
I think you left out bacon though.
Bacon!
Let me ask you a question about your Royal Gourmet. Seriously, are you a Royal Gourmet?
Yeah, why not?
Why did you get the Royal Gourmet? Is it less expensive than the other options?
Yeah, and you had good reviews.
Oh, we got more competitive videoing here. We got Ron Sees America also getting into the sport.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, none of us will be able to hear this.
How do we
anyway,
determine who wins? That's my question.
I'll be the judge.
Oh, is there a point? Is there points or?
Oh, there's points.
Oh,
now.
here's the judge.
Yep. Right now.
This is Sam, the bootlegs.
Hello.
He's our judge. Are you doing a syrup competition?
Yep, syrup competition on low sugar syrups you can have.
I have one of those little.
Hi, I'm Ron. Ron Cooks America.
Ha!
Y'all.
Like you make it sound like I'm high when I say hi.
Well. No, I don't. No, I don't. And I also wanted to show off the fashion of the day. We've got the flip-flop socks look here on.
Get off my socks,
on
man.
Ron
Get off my
Socks America.
I'm a trendsetter before you know it.
Oh, Marshall, you don't have it going on.
No, I'm doing the hiking pajama combo.
Okay, he's got the hiking pajama combo. Let me get on the other side here where we get the sun in the right direction.
We did have a nighttime pajama hike last night. These are Merrell waterproof hiking
shoes.
shoes. One participant, paired with my flannel plaid pajama pants.
That's nice. That's a nice look.
With tie-dye Pink Floyd shirt.
Okay, well that matches. The colors match, and actually this even matches the jammy bottoms because there's some black in there.
We got the Charlie Grace Adventures trucker hat. So
all right.
Completing the look. We're gonna do some hikes in our pajamas here in a bit.
Next for our presentation is Sam. Sam is wearing the loafers.
Yep.
Which he always wears.
Obligatory slippers.
Are those the only shoes you ever wear?
And not if I'm hiking, I put on hiking boots.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, yeah.
Then he's wearing the red jammies, so just a little bit different look. And the non-matching brown hoodie.
Well, it's supposed to be black, but my whitening detergent had something to say about that.
And what is Mike wearing today? What's his attire?
So Mike is featuring a tennis shoe that's simple but classic white leather tennis shoe paired with sweatpants that are very comfortable. Now, if you've not worn sweatpants, you definitely have to check.
If you're not familiar with sweatpants,
right?
Yes.
He's paired that with a hoodie that is like a. These are
it's a very sporty looking hoodie.
Yeah, yes, you know. Yeah. He's got the hoodie with the pocket in the front, and he can at night for stealth moments. He can or to block the wind. He's got the hood.
Mm-hmm. That's nice, and you can still eat because there's a hole in the front of it.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Still eat.
That's
Might
perfect.
Not be able to see, but yeah.
You know, the
nice
extra large pocket going across the front
goes all the way across the front, ladies and gentlemen.
For the left,
all the way across the front, ladies and
All
gentlemen.
the way across.
From one end to the other. No, he's just trying to reach the other side of his pocket. Don't get any ideas, ladies.
Yep. Here, let me hold that for you. Now you can fit a whole loaf of bread in there. I got it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It looks like it. Or pancakes, which we are making today.
So.
All right. Thank you, Mike.
For those leftovers.
Yeah, you can also fit pancakes or fried potatoes in that pocket. Like the fried potatoes that Ron Sees America.
Ron Sees America. Great. Can I ask why you're calling?
No, I ain't gonna publicize that.
Well, that's the title now. I ain't gonna publicize that.
I ain't gonna publicize that.
I guess we had some wind last night. The cardboard we had in our fire pit has escaped. Oops. Oh, and somebody went and got firewood today. Got a small bundle of firewood. I'm gonna put this one on here. This one looks like it will probably burn because it has a little kindling hanging off the end. See if we can weigh down that plywood. I mean that plywood. See, that's plywood now. See if we can weigh down that cardboard. Okay, this is the first time firing up the Royal Gourmet. So the Royal Gourmet is going to fire up the Royal Gourmet for the first time.
Is that what it is? Yeah.
Ow! No, it's not.
Not yet.
Not yet. So what's the plan? What are you doing? What are you using the griddle for today?
Pancakes, bacon, eggs.
Okay, cool. So we're doing that over here, and there's no room for the potatoes, obviously, with all that going on. So we're doing the potatoes over here. Where Dirty Talker Ron is cooking some potatoes. So Marshall, when you're cooking, you cook on this kitchen.
I do. Well, it's kind of different now, but I do a lot of cooking inside the van because of the wind.
Okay, that makes sense. And you also have a table that you can put outside if you want to cook on that.
Yep. But my single burner stove I actually keep under the bed.
Oh, yeah, but you don't light it under the bed, do you? I mean, it might keep you warm.
That's what I was going to say. That's how
It's a heater, yeah.
Yeah, I just store it there.
Yeah, don't light your single burner stove under your bed. Disclaimer. I wanted to mention a little bit more about the fashionistas here at the post meetup. How come you're not wearing your serape? That's what I want to know.
Oh, this is just to give it a little bit of an aesthetic feel.
But didn't you say you have a Hawaiian lei in your van?
I do, hang it up somewhere back there.
Don't you think that would go well with a Hawaiian
It
lei?
would probably go well, actually. Now that you say it.
Maybe we should do Hawaiian lei and serape night at the next meetup. What do you think? We're talking about different types of nights, themed nights.
I'm down. Let's do it.
Yeah.
We're talking about doing themed nights at our meetup next year.
How about mash night? So you wear that, but you wear combat boots with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't get the memo about pajama day again.
I know. I didn't get it either. Otherwise, I'd be in my underwear.
Shout out to JT, the American Wanderer. He's currently building out his new cargo trailer.
That's why we didn't see him this year.
Yep. He's gonna try to come next year, he said.
To our meetup?
Yep.
Okay, that'd be cool.
So let's see if this will stick.
So JT has a printer in his RV.
Yep.
I mean, he's building something new now, but he had a printer in his shuttle bus and could do all this work right on the road.
Exactly. Now this is a pretty cool sticker.
It's very nice. Yeah, you just gotta be careful, huh?
Yeah, I think this is meant more for
a window.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't want to put stuff on your windows because you don't want people knowing that you're living in your van. So.
Yeah, and so that's one reason I decided to go on that cabinet. Because I can show it off when I have the backup.
You might be able to put some kind of clear coat over that. I have to do the same thing with backsplash. So
that is awesome. That's an awesome
that looks really good. Hey Kelly, look, we made the kitchen.
We made it. You're big time now.
That's right. Get ready for that YouTube money to come in. Everybody's gonna see that sticker and it's gonna be cha-ching.
There it is.
There's more coffee in there, Ron. You better get some.
Where'd I do my cup?
Yeah, you want me to bring some bacon out?
Sure.
Okay.
And if you want to,
I've got sausage links too.
Oh, you do?
Cook them up.
Wait, bring us some.
Sausage links.
That wasn't hot enough.
That's a test pancake.
Yeah.
Get the temperature correct.
That's right.
Test pancake.
We have a professional cooker here, or what chef?
I had chef duties, but
Okay.
I wasn't a certified chef.
So we have oversight here. We have a manager. to watch, make sure everything goes well. Are you getting nervous now, Mike?
Everybody cooks different.
And some don't cook at all.
If I come back, I'm gonna make the biggest pot of spaghetti sauce with meatballs and Italian sausage. The best spaghetti you ever had.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Don't let
I like the best of whatever.
don't let Troy Nomadic Rat Pack hear you say that. He'll challenge you.
Oh,
yeah?
well then invite him, and
Oh,
you
there we
can
go.
have a pasta sauce cook-off.
You guys can do a spaghetti cook-off hopefully next year.
Man, that is a sharp knife.
Yep.
That's the sharpest knife in the drawer right there, ladies and gentlemen.
Certainly ain't me.
This is a person on the street interview.
Hello.
Diana,
Hi.
tell us what the difference between prosciutto and bacon is.
Totally different. Prosciutto is an Italian ham. The bacon is, I'm not sure what.
Canadian?
No.
There is Canadian bacon
Yeah.
though, Ron.
But prosciutto is.
So why do we gotta label everything? Is there
So,
different bacon pronouns? Sorry, I didn't mean to.
did we just open a whole can of
No.
bacon there?
Can of bacon. Man, do they put bacon in a can?
They probably do. I bet you anything they do.
Turns out all the rumors and allegations about Greg, they're all true.
Yeah, they're not rumors and allegations.
Yeah,
Nobody's making stuff
They're
up.
factual evidence.
Real stuff. Real stuff. We're hanging out.
We're in Marshall's living room. I mean bedroom. I mean kitchen. I mean family room. I mean bathroom. I mean dining room. So Ron's got a whole crew cooking with him. He's got Lucy, Charlie, Snoopy.
Lucy's here? I didn't know she was.
What's his name? I can't remember. I can't remember those two. Linus.
Snoopy,
Who's that?
Franklin,
Franklin and
Sally,
Sally. That's right. I already got the other ones. I got the other ones.
Charlie Brown, Lucy.
So I only got like 50% on the test. That was Kansas, right? Cooking in the wind? Oh, I thought it was Kansas. All we are is cooking in the wind. I got one word for you. Meat. Yep. Anybody got any more meat? There's room for more meat right there.
Well, you're here about to eat some food, eating breakfast for lunch.
Oh, you too?
We are.
It's
What
called
are you doing here?
some people call it brunch. So I'm making coffee for everybody with my Mr. Coffee. Little one only makes about 2 servings, a little over 2 servings at a time. And I got to make sure I got enough power to keep running that because it does take some juice. So let's see what we're at. 79%. I don't know if you can see that. 79% is no problem because there's a lot of sun, so I'll probably get to 100 before the sun goes down. I was just going to talk to you about the notorious jumping table.
It jumped right out in front of me. I just saw that.
Yeah.
So
It grabbed me by my ankle.
Don't look at that one.
Don't look at that one. That one's the creative one.
Yes.
Yes. That one's got some,
Skin.
some skin. Oh, okay. Give me some skin. That one's got style. I think that one has style.
Okay, here's a few.
I'm gonna borrow your onion
start.
and weigh that down because I don't want that coffee to spill.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Cooking with Diana. Just to show you that we don't waste food here at the Ironwood Post Meetup. It's the Post Meetup.
Okay,
Anybody want pictures of my plate?
come on.
Who's ready for eggs? Real maple syrup. It's good.
I wanted to take it off soon.
Let me try it.
It's really good.
Let me try it.
We can throw some more on.
Bacon. That'll be dinner. Right now we're eating lunch. Have a bacon dinner.
Some BLTs.
Working on some recap stuff of our meetup.
Of our meetup, which is going to be happening again in 2024.
I
Exactly.
used it twice.
We're looking forward to that.
I had it mounted
Come join us in the Ironwood Forest National Monument.
Yeah.
and went out on